Welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. I got something very exciting to tell y'all. Now, I know, you know what I'm saying, the subscriber count, I'm saying, we pretty good. We setting real good. I got the little small audience that I really wanted. Y'all follow me. Y'all pass the videos out. But now, I want to make a commitment to y'all. Now, this is what they're going to do. I'm trying to get consistent because I know a lot of people watch my channel. And some people don't know when I'm gonna make a video, when I'm gonna come out one. Sometimes it might be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, whatever. But now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do bi-weekly videos every other Friday. Now, this video, you're watching it now, it came out Friday, 6 o'clock Central Time. And that's what we're gonna do. And then 2 weeks later, another video will come out Friday, Central Time, 6 o'clock Central Time. That's what I'm gonna do. And they're gonna keep on until I build up my inventory of videos. And then when I retire, we might do one every week. But for now, we're gonna do it bi-weekly. So you watching this video here, it's gonna come out at 6 o'clock every other Friday. So that way we'll be on the same page, and that's gonna be Central Time. Now, another thing I wanna get straight to is that the Cooking General channel now is, I mean, y'all have made it amazing. And to celebrate it, I know today for me to record this video, it's Memorial Day. And so happy Memorial Day to y'all. But we're gonna do a lemon pound cake. And you know I don't do many desserts, but hey, somebody asked me to do this here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them how to do this here. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So come in, let me show you how to do a lemon pound cake. All right, now I'm gonna use me 2 cups of flour. Now don't forget you got to sift your flour. I already got this here already sifted. Okay, I'm gonna use a cup of sugar. Now I got about 1/4 cup of salt. Trying to give you a little thing. Now I'm gonna make my own icing, so I'm gonna use some powdered sugar. Now this is optional right here. Some people use sour cream. I'm gonna use this here. It's a Jello, but I'm only gonna use about half of this. Okay, I got my lemon extract right here. I got my baker's jar. I got my milk, and I got me some real lemon juice. I got me 2 sticks of butter and 4 eggs, and these here room temperature. And we're gonna put that together. Now y'all come back, and I hope y'all like this new schedule. That way you ain't gotta be guessing all do you got a video out. Cause I know my subscribers be like, man, when are you gonna do a video? So now it's bi-weekly, every other Friday. So you see this one here Friday at 6. 2 weeks from now, there'll be another one out. And I'm gonna keep doing it that way until I retire. And then maybe we do it every week. Cooking Journal, ask somebody. There we go. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my eggs. I'm just add 1, 2, there we go. You know I got 4 of them. All righty, let's go ahead and cut this on. Man, it's gonna be kind of exciting though, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing these videos and y'all have us time to watch them every other Friday. We're gonna add our sugar in there real slow. And like I said, this was single men, single women, so, you know, you want you a good old lemon pound cake, man, ain't nothing to make it from scratch. Let's get this here done. Now we're gonna do this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. I don't have to be too careful, because I ain't no chef. So I can do mine any way I want, and you can too, so you at home. Let's go and add the rest of this sugar. Let's get this stuff over with. All right, whip the shit out of it. Come back, I'll show you what to do. There we go, right there. All right, now welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I got that's my eggs, my 4 eggs, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2 sticks of butter in here. I'm gonna get this all whipped up with my butter in there, and I'm gonna get that whipped up really good. And we're gonna get that whipped. Now I'm gonna tell you what to do. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I really want to pre-sprayed my pan down with some Baker's Joy right here. I got it pre-sprayed down. Now here. Now, I use about 2 spoons of lemon juice and about a spoon of my lemon extract. Okay, now on this pudding, I only use like half of that. Just half that in the bowl. I got my cup of milk and I got my flour that's been shifted. So, now, I'm gonna start adding all these ingredients in slow. And I'm gonna go ahead and go and get this butter here whipped up in it. And then I'm gonna just add it slowly, all your ingredients. Just want you to know that. And come back, I'll show you how it looks. And we'll be ready to get this cake in the oven. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, there goes coming on really, really good. Man, just think back in the day we had to do this by hand. It makes it a lot easier. And since I'm not, using salty butter, you can use salty butter, you ain't got to add this, but I'm just gonna add my pinch of salt to that too. Now, remember, if you're using salty butter, you ain't gotta do that, but I wanna make sure I show you that too. All right, let me go ahead and whip this on up and get it in the pan and come back, I'll show you.
Cooking John,
Yeah.
do you have the cake ready to go into the oven?
Yeah, I got it ready.
Now, man, you do.
Ask somebody, why it's good. There we go, right there. Now, got my powdered sugar. Now, I got my powdered sugar, my lemon juice, just a little abstract. You got to kind of, I just teach basic here, y'all know that. We're gonna put that in there, and we're finna mix this up, and I'm finna make my icing, and then come back, and we conclude this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. What am I gonna do, man? We just got this lemon pound cake finished. Now, you probably watch this video right now on the 31st because like I told y'all on this video, I'm gonna do a bi-weekly video. So the next video will be coming out on the 14th, and that will be my Juneteenth video because I'm gonna do bi-weekly videos now. And that way you have a schedule, and it's gonna be 6 o'clock Central Time. That's 6 o'clock p.m. in the evening Central Time. So you'll know exactly when they're coming out. Now, so we got that straight. Come on, let me show you that there, man. Look at that. Nice, moist. Now, remember, this is a glaze. It's glazed in there. It went in there. Now, this is not no icing. I know I could have made it thick with the cream cheese and stuff, but it's just a glaze. And man, you think it got that lemon taste? Look at that. Moist. Look at that. Crisp on the outside. Mmm. Man, Cooking John.